พุทธายะ Sugar baby. Okay, I'm going to make evening chanting. You can participate. Yo so bhagava araham
Samma Sambuddha. The blessed one, the Lord, hopefully attain perfect enlightenment. Sawakato Yena Bhagavata Dhammo. Till the teaching which he experienced so well. So Patipanno Yatsa Bhagavato Savaka Sangha. And to the blessed one's disciples who have practiced well. Amayang Bhagavantang Sathammang Sasanghang. Jadi Buddha Dhamma and the Sangha. Ime hi sakare hi yatharaham arabhite apipo swayama. We and with offerings our rightful homage. Sadhu no pante bhakava sujira pariniputape. Is it therefore that the blessed one, having attained liberation, Pachima Janata Nukampama Nasa, still had compassion for later generations, Ime Sakare Tukata Panagara Buddhe Patipanata. Medicine born offerings be accepted. Amakan ekaratang hitaya sukaya. For our long-lasting benefit and for the happiness it gives us. Araham Samma Sambuddha Bhagava. The Lord, the perfectly enlightened and blessed one. Buddhang Bhagavantang Abhivademi. Aranahome to the Buddha, the blessed one.
Sawakato bhagavato
Bhagavato Look how we do the whole of the walls. Anuttaro Purisa Dhammasarati. He trained perfectly the true victory train. Sattha Deva Manasanam. He teaches of gods and humans. Uttara Bhagavate. He is awake and holy.
ท่านธรรมยังพุทธาภิกิติงกโรมาเส
No reduction in celebration of the Buddha.
บุตวารัน
Avarata Rekuna Priyate. The Buddha, the truly worthy one, and now with such excellent qualities. Sattha Priyana Karuna Isamagatata. Holy Spirit is comfort of purity, transcendental wisdom and compassion. Padesiyo Sachamatang Gamarang Vasura. The head is right and the wise like the sun awakening the lotus. Vandamaham Tamaranang Dirasa Chidindang. I bow my head to the peaceful ship of conquerors. Utteyo Sappapa Mainang Taranang Hemamuttamang. The Buddha who is the secure refuge of all beings. Pattamanussati Thanang Vantamitam Sirenavang. At the first object of resurrection, I venerate him without head. Puttasammasamita Savaputtume Samikitare. I am indeed the Buddha's servant. The Buddha is my love and guide. Buddha Tukha Sakata Javitoto Jaita Same. The Buddha is thoroughly tried, who bestows blessings on me. Buddha Samaya Jaimi Sarevan Jivitan Jitam. To the Buddha I dedicate his body and life. Vantanto Ham Jaresami Buddha Seva Supoditang. In devotion I will of the Buddha's path of awakening. Nati me saranam vanjam bhutu me saranam vara. For me there is no other refuge. The Buddha is my excellent refuge. Edena satya vachena vachayam satya sasane. By the utterance of the truth, may I grow in the master way. Uttang me vandamane nayang punjang pasutang ita. By my devotion to the Buddha and the blessing of the practice, Sampepiyantaraya me mahe suntat sate tassa. By this power may all obstacles be overcome.
กายเนวาจาย
Yavajita Sava. By God's speech of mine. Kote Dukamang Bhagatam Mayayam. For whatever long action I have committed toward the Buddha. Koto Patikanatu Vajayantam. May my knowledge never be accepted. Dalantare Samvarito Vaputte. So that your future there may be rest and regarding the Buddha.
อันนามายังธรรมานุสติยังกโรนาเส
Nam guarded by the blessed one, Santitico, apparent here and now, Akarico, timeless, Epasico, encouraging investigation, Opanayiko, leading in voice, Vachatang Veditapo Venuiti, to be experienced individually by the voice.
อันธรรมยังธรรมาทิกิติกโรมาเสน
Now let us chant in celebration of the
ส
Dhamma.
วากาตตาทิโก
Gunayo Kawasena Sayo. It is excellent because it is well expounded. Yamakapakaparayate vimokapetu. And it can be divided into parts and fruit, learning and liberation. Ommo Guru Kapatana Tatatari. The Dhamma hosted who upward it from falling into delusion. One Tamaham Tamaharang Varadhamameta. I reveal the excellent teaching that is remove darkness. Dhammoyo Samphapaninam Saranam Kemamuttamam. The Dhamma visit the supreme secure refuge of all beings. Tateyanusadetanam Vantamitam Sivenaham. And the second object of recollection, I venerated without hate. Ammatsaha Samita Suvatammo Me Samikitare. I have ended the Dhamma servant. The Dhamma is my Lord and guide. Dhammo Dukha Sakkata Jarita Jarita Same. The Dhamma is sorrows yet trial, and it bestows blessings on me. Dhammasaham niyate misariram te vitam jitang. To the Dhamma I dedicated body and life. Vandanto Angarisami Dhammat Sevasudhammata. And in devotion I revoke it excellent way of truth. Nati me saranang anyam dhammo me saranang varong. For me there is no other refuge. The Dhamma is my excellent refuge. Etena satyavatena vatayam satyasasane. By the adherence of the truth, may I grow in the Master's way. Me vantamane nayam punyam pasutang ika. By my devotion to the Dhamma and the blessing of the practice, Sampe Biyandaro Yame Mahe Sumtat Sade Tatsa. By its power may all obstacles be overcome.
Kayena Vajaya Vajita Sava. By body, spirit, or mind. Dhamme Sukhamma Bhagavatam Jaya. For whatever wrong action I have committed towards the Dhamma, Dhammo Patikkanato Vatayantam. May my acknowledgement of fault be accepted. Kalantare Sanvalitum Vathamme. So that in future they may be blessed regarding the Dhamma. Annamaya Sankha No Sati Nayam Karoma Se
disciples who have practiced well. Ojupatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho. Though I practice directly, Yāyapatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho. All have practiced insightfully. Samejipatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho. Those who practice with intricately, Yatithang Jattari Purisa Yukhani Atta Purisa Pukara. Does it therefore practice has some number beings? Is the Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho. These are the blessed ones disciples. Amunayo Sasrasavati Akish. Amunayo Bhadi Apastitharite. Takinayo Bhadi of offerings. Anjali Karaniyo Worthy of respect. Anuttarang Munyaketam Lokasati. They give occasion for incomparable goodness to arise in the room.
Annamaya Saṅkha Pikiti Karomase.
Now read Achan inspiration of the Saṅghon.
Satamacho
Tupati Pati Guna Diyutu. Born of the Dhamma, the Saṅgha which had practiced well. Yathapitu Abhaya Ukara Saṅgha Siddha. The field of the Saṅgha for perfect ties of noble beings. Sila Tidhamma Pavara Sayakaya Chitta. Guided in body and mind by excellent morality and virtue. Vandamaham Tamariya Nakanam Sotsatam. I live here that assembly of noble beings perfected in purity. Saṅgho Yusam Papaninam Saranam Kemamuttamam. The Saṅgha is the supreme secure refuge of all beings. Tatiya Nusati Chanam Vandamitam Sivenaham. As the third object of recollection, I venerate it with Pāved. Saṅghat Sahat Samita Sava Saṅgho Me Samikitsaru. I am indeed the Saṅgha servant. The Saṅgha is my Lord and guide. Saṅgho Dukha Sakkata Javitata Jaitasame. The Saṅgha is sorrows that torture, and it bestows blessings on me. Saṅghat Saham Niyate Misariram Sivitam Jitang. Take Saṅgha, I dedicate my body and life. Vantanto Anjarit Sami Saṅghat Supatipannatam. And in devotion I devote the well-practiced way of the Saṅgha. Nati me saranam anyam Saṅgho me saranam varam. For me there is no other refuge. The Saṅgha is my excellent refuge. Yedena satya vacchena vaccayang sattu sasane. By the utterance of the truth, may I grow in the Master's way. Saṅghang me vandamani nayang punyang pasutang itha. By my devotion to to the Sangha and the blessing of this practice. Samphe Piyantaro Ye Mahe Sung Tat Sate Tatsa. By His power may all obstacles be overcome.
กายนาวาจายวาเจตัสสาวะ by body speak of mind สังเกตุกรรมังปะปะตังมัจญายัง for whatever long action I have committed toward the Sangha สังโฆปฏิปันนาตัวจายันตัง may my acknowledgement of all be accepted กาลันตาเวสัมวาริตุงวัสสังเท so that in future there may be rested regarding the Sangha อันดามยังอติตาปัจเจเวกนาปาทังปนามะเส
Now let us recite the passage for reflection on the pursuit of the requisites.
ปัจจามายา
Apaccawe kitawayang jiwaran parikutang. Whatever utility without consideration. Tang yavadevate tatsapatikataya. Vasimpitavat apun. Punatapatikataya. Tavat apit. Tang samakasavatatapasiren sapasammasanam patikataya. Tower of the cut of flies, mosquitoes, wind, sun, and reptiles. Yavadeva idiko vinapadicharanatham. Simply for the purpose of covering the parts of the body that cause shame. Achamaya pachavekitavayo vinapato parikutte. Whatever harmful utility without consideration. So nevatavayana matayana mandanayana vikusanaya. What not you prayerfully, now for intoxication, now for putting on weight, now for beautification. Yavadeva imasakaya satitiya yapanaya. But simply for the survival and continuance of this body, being suparatiya brahmacharya nukahaya, for ending its afflictions, for the support of the holy life. Iti puranan ca vedanam patihangami. Mindfully like this, will I destroy all feelings of hunger. Na vanca vedanam na upadesami. And not create new feelings from overeating. Yadavraja me pavisadiya navachata japasuviharojati. I will maintain myself free and rest and live in comfort.
Achamaya
pachavekitavayang tenasanang parikutang. Whatever rotting utility without consideration. Tang yavadevate tatsapatikataya. Vasimpitavat apur. Punatapatikataya. Tavat apit. Tang samakasavatatapasirin tapasampasanam patikataya. Tavat of the cup of flies, mosquitoes, wind, sun, and reptiles. Yavadeva utuparisaya vinodhanam patik
carrying the sick. I usually without consideration. So Yava Deva Upananam Vaya Padikhanam Vedananam Patikhataya was in Petrova of ethnic base of illness that had arisen. Apaya Pacha Paramataya Oti, and for absolute protection from disease. วันนี้มงคลนะต่อไปสวดมงคลละสูตรอาจจะเคยได้ยินบ้างในภาคภาษาบาลีลองฟังดูนะตั้งใจดีๆพอรู้อยู่เสวนาจะปาลานัง
avoiding those awful ways, Panditanam ja sevana, associating with the voice, Ochaja Puchaniyanam, and honoring those worthy of honor, Etamangaramutamam, these are the right blessings, Patirupadesavasoja, living in presence of Shukramo Christ, Upejakata Punyata, with the fruits of our good days, Atta Sammapanitija, and guided by the rightful way, Etamangaramutamam, these are the right blessings, Amusatjantjasipanja, and complete in learning and craftsmanship skills, Vinayutasasikita, with discipline highway train, Sapasita Jayavaja, and stated it true and present through here, Etamangaramutamam, these are the right blessings, Atapito Upattanam, providing for mother and father support, Buddhatarasa Sangho, and cherishing family, Anakuraja Kamanda, and with offer that are no being, Etamangaramutamam, these are the right blessings, Ananjatamachariyaja, generosity and a righteous life, Yatakananja Sangho, offering help to relatives and kin, Anavachani Kamani, and acting in ways that had no blame, Etamangaramutamam, these are the right blessings, Arati Virati Papa, steadfast in restraint and shunning evil ways, Machapanada Sanyamo, avoiding intoxicants that come the mind, Apamadhujatamezit, and hatefulness in on things that are risen, Etamangalamutamam, these are the right blessings, Kara Ojaniva Doja, respectfulness and humble ways, Santuti Jagatanyuta, contentment and gratitude, Galina Dhamma Savanam, and hearing the Dhamma frequently taught, Etamangaramutamam, these are the right blessings, Kanti Jasovajasata, patience and willingness to accept one's faults,
นิพพานะเอตัมมังกรมุตตมัง These are the right blessings. Puttasa lokatammehi. Although it brought in public costs, Jitang yasanakampati. Unshaken the mind remains. Asokan viracham kemang. And beyond all sorrows spotless secure. Aetammang karamuttamang. These are the right blessings. Etadisanikatawana. They who revive for loving this path. Sapatama parajita. No recovery wherever they go. Sapata sutingkachanti. And every grace for them itself. Ante sammangalamuttamante. These are the right blessings. Annamayamutisana Titanakatayo Panamase.
Now let us shun the worship of sharing and aspiration.
Imina Pudyaka
Amena upachaya gunuttara. Through the goodness that arises from my practice, Acariyo Bakara Yamata Vita Jayata Kapiyamamang. May my spiritual teachers and Christ of great virtue, my mother, my father, and my relatives, Suriyo Chandi Maharaja Gunavanta Naurapija, the sun and the moon, and all virtuous leaders of the world, Brahma Maharaja Indrajaloka Balaja Devata, may the righteous cross and evil forces, celestial beings, guardian spirit of the earth, and the rod of death, Yamomita Manosa Jamachata Verika Pita, may those who are friendly, indifferent, or hostile, Sape Satta Sukhi Honto Punyani Pakatani may all be increased the blessings of my life. So Kamjati Vitang Dendo Kipampa Veda Lomatang. May they soon attain the sweet progress and delight the good place. Imena Punyaka Mena Imena Udesena Ja. Through the goodness that arises from my practice, and through this act of sharing, Ipaham Surape Devatan Upatana Chetanang, Inaramaya Vanipanato Mamang, and one harmful state of mind until I realize Nibbana. Na Santo Sapata Yevayata Shato Bhave Bhave. In every cries of birth, may I have an upright mind. Kuchuchitam Sati Panya Sandeko Vidya Pena. With mindfulness and wisdom, austerity and vigor, Marala Pantonoka Sangatum Chaviriye Sume. May the forces of delusion not take hold or weaken my resolve. Uttari Pawa as the protection of the Dhamma. Nato Vajika Putto Jasango Nato Taramamang. The solitary Buddha is my noble guide. The Sangha is my